So today I took delivery of this new set of carbides. Game changer if I ever said so myself. These are 3mm shanks, and I've got the 6mm shank, 6mm die grinding tool, the air tool, which kind of looks like this, and that's a 6mm shank, obviously very different to that. But then we've got the Dremel tool. I have a Dremel tool on a cord with the small bit, and I use these. So what you do is they're all going to wobble and oscillate and snake themselves into a weird vibration situation. All you do is you tweak the speed of the unit up into a point where you can't see any eccentricity on this shaft, and then you can start doing your job. So back to the blaster barrel that I've been busy with. Exhaust port's pretty much the same, only in the last video we didn't have any durational changes. Now we've gone up on the duration, so we're at the measured on a degree wheel on the crank duration we want to be, and we've done some work with these new bits on the transfer updrafts. You can see that is looking really tit. really good. A little bit of rounding off to do just there, and I don't like knife edges. Knife edges to me are turbulence incorrect, so we're not going to go down that road. But you can see we've done some good work with these bits right now. And we have not done anything more on the boost port. I think the boost port we're going to leave exactly where it is. Its duration and angles and shape and size volumetrically is good. I do want to say that I'm a little bit thinner on the bridge of the intake ports than I'd like to be, but there is enough support structure in that bridge for the piston. Going forward, even with piston slap, it's not going to mess with that bridge. We have enough meat in the Y shape over here to be structural, to satisfy structural integrity. There's not going to be a problem with that. I've done many of these, and I've made many stuff ups with the thickness of the bridge there, but that's still a little bit thin, but it's okay. We can live with that. I've got another one over here, which is bordering on that much thinness. Anyway, but wow. First time I've had the 3mm bits, which allow me to get like right down into there and undercut with the correct angle. A lot of people will take this angle and make it flat. I'm going to tell you guys that it will work, but there is a radius that you want in terms of an angle here that if you go past, you will get turbulence, you will get laminar flow indifference. And, the moment you've got something that big and you've got turbulence in the upper area, that thing that is that big becomes that big. So your flow is interrupted. So you've got to keep everything within the realm of the mathematical equation to get the right output from the input. And these guys here are allowing me to do that much better. I might do a clay model of this entire effort here to check concentricity between left and right sides. You can see the exhaust port's looking pretty sweet there. I've got another hour and a half, 2 hours before this guy's finished, and then we're done. But yeah,